Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, I'm diving into the intense political power struggle unfolding in Zimbabwe. President Emmerson Mnangagwa, who came to power after the 2017 military coup that ousted Robert Mugabe, is now facing significant pressure from his own military and political allies. Vice President Constantino Chiwenga, a key figure in the coup that installed Mnangagwa, is at the center of this new wave of political tension. Recently, Zimbabwe's Information Minister Jenfan Muswera publicly dismissed rumors of a power struggle, emphasizing that Mnangagwa was democratically elected and enjoys the full support of the ruling ZANU-PF party. However, behind the scenes, the situation seems far more complex. At the ZANU-PF conference in Bulawayo, chaotic scenes unfolded as Mnangagwa's supporters chanted for his rule to be extended to 2030. This move reportedly displeased Chiwenga and his allies, highlighting the growing factional tensions within the ruling party. Provincial leaders openly supported constitutional amendments to keep Mnangagwa in power, sidelining any serious discussions about succession. Despite these endorsements, Mnangagwa announced on Saturday that he would not seek office beyond 2028. This announcement came as a surprise to many, and is seen as a concession to the mounting pressure from Chiwenga and his military allies. Mnangagwa framed his decision as a constitutional commitment, emphasizing his role in drafting Zimbabwe's current constitution. He stated, "I am a constitutionalist, presenting his adherence to the law as a matter of principle." Party Secretary for Legal Affairs, Patrick Chinamasa, echoed this sentiment, saying that Mnangagwa has made it clear he will abide by the Constitution and has no intention of serving beyond 2028. This seems to mark the end of ZANU-PF's tense succession debate, with Chiwenga and his military allies emerging as the undisputed victors. The power struggle between Mnangagwa and Chiwenga has created uncertainty within Zimbabwe's political landscape. The recent ZANU-PF conference exposed the deep divisions within the ruling party, with Mnangagwa's supporters advocating for his extended rule, much to the dismay of Chiwenga's camp. This has led to speculation that Chiwenga and his allies might be considering a military intervention to challenge Mnangagwa's authority. The outcome of this power struggle remains uncertain, but it has the potential to significantly impact Zimbabwe's political future. The situation is fluid and requires close monitoring as events continue to unfold. Thanks for joining me today. If you found this video insightful, make sure to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any updates. See you next time.